Welcome to Mumcore channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I'll be showing you how to make my delicious blueberry muffins. Here are the ingredients. Cake mix, blueberries, milk, melted butter, eggs. In a large bowl, put the flour, then add to eggs. Mix. Add the melted butter and the milk. Mix thoroughly. Add the blueberries. Mix thoroughly. After mixing, pour the batter into a muffin tin. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes and check if it's done by inserting a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's done. Remove the blueberry muffins from the tin and place them on a plate. Now it's time to savor your delicious blueberry muffins. If you found this recipe easy to follow, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Check out all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.